Just out here on a nice little run, mid-October. It's actually Thanksgiving Sunday here in Nova Scotia, Canada. A little windy, a little cool. Got the long sleeves on, just in the back harbor area of Lunenburg. Very windy, so I apologize for that. I'm on a bit of a busy road now, but finally it wasn't raining, so I decided I should get out for a run. Feeling pretty good. I'll update you. I'm going to loop around and get on the trail. Just a little view of the back harbor today. If you saw my last video, you'll know that I'm dog sitting in a neighboring town. And yeah, so it's very, very hilly here. I decided to go around the outskirts of town, around this back harbor way. Town is up that way because you know, I still need to work on my cardio a bit. I haven't been running as much, obviously. You know, my last real running was leading up to that half marathon in July, the end of July. Done a little bit here and there since, but yeah, just getting back into it. Got to really build that aerobic base again. Pretty much decided that I'm going to do a marathon in June. I'm not sure if the person who talked me into it watches my videos or not, but we follow each other on Instagram and Strava. Anyway, probably going to do the Johnny Miles Marathon in June, and that's here in Nova Scotia. And yeah, you know, that's going to be fun. That's going to be a challenge. I didn't do any marathons this year. In fact, I technically didn't even finish any half marathons this year, although I went out and ran the distance a couple of times. But you know, it'll be a good challenge after coming back from injury. Coming back from mild injury, though, what could have been much worse. So I stand by my decision to like kind of stop the running and training and all that shit. But anyway, a lot of traffic here. Not a lot, but it's loud. So I'll go for now and catch up with you guys back on the trail. Okay. Just about 6K in, somewhere around there. Almost back to the house. I get to go up this hill now to finish things off. Boy, this really doesn't do it justice, because it keeps going and going. But then I got a nice little downhill to the finish, so no big deal. Alright, I'll catch up with you guys when I'm done. Kind of recap this, let you know how I feel for my first good run in a while. Alright, so just a quick little recap on that. Went really well, and it feels good to be out running. Got a good, you know, got a good little exercise in. Could have went further, could have went a little faster, just didn't want to overdo it, but foot feels really good, so that was a nice, I've got a beagle staring at me. Yeah, you know, so that was a nice little positive reinforcement, I guess, just knowing that everything feels good afterwards. That's the main thing, so just going to keep at it, keep going slow as I get back into it a little bit. Got to build up that aerobic base so I can start performing again at, you know, reasonable levels. But for now, just going to chill, sit down, eat some chips. I earned them. And, you know, probably watch another movie. So I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.